Randomini is an interactive and intentionally simplistic artwork randomization tool. It may be found in the toolbox with the gaming dice icon. There is no accompanying panel or live effect to consider. It simply randomizes the selected artwork with a permanent change. Before I start to demonstrate the tool, I will open the Astute Buddy panel, as this is useful for keyboard shortcut references. These shortcuts will be visible throughout the video, but are self-explanatory and won't be comprehensively detailed here. In this artwork, I have around 20 instances of a basic balloon illustration stacked on top of each other, with varying shapes of white strands. These can be seen in the Layers panel. I will use the Select tool to select all balloon artwork groups. Enabling the Randomini tool by clicking on the toolbox icon, a control annotation, familiar to many Astute Graphics customers, is displayed. All selected artwork outlines are also annotated for reasons that will quickly become clear. If you don't find the control annotation to be clear, click and drag the center point to reposition it. The three control axes are Scale, Offset, and Rotation. Each of these controls can be click and dragged to randomize the artwork accordingly. For example, if I drag the offset control away from the center, each balloon artwork group is moved away from its current position horizontally and vertically by up to the distance stated. We have not yet committed the artwork change, but the end result is previewed with the annotation outlines. Each time the control is moved, the position of each group is randomly reassigned. I will apply that single randomization by clicking on the Apply button. As may be seen, the artwork is now randomly repositioned. This is not a live effect, so to revert to the original, you would need to undo at this stage. Returning to the Randomini tool, a preview of the previous offset value is reapplied. This time I will simultaneously offset and scale each balloon artwork group by sliding the scale control. Now, not only will each balloon be moved, but it will also increase or decrease in size, ranging from its original scale and position to a maximum of what's shown. Next, I will add random rotation to each balloon. Spinning the annotation around to 180 degrees will result in each balloon having the freedom to rotate all the way around, plus or minus 180 degrees, but I will restrain it to plus or minus 20 degrees with the help of the Shift key to constrain the angle steps. This time, I'm going to apply these changes by hitting the Enter or Return key, which is a quicker method than clicking on the Apply button. For the final function, the colour of each balloon will be randomized. Selecting all the balloon groups once more, I will first double-click on the Randomini Toolbox tool icon to open the tool's preferences. This is also possible to open with the tool enabled if your keyboard has an extended numeric keypad Enter key. In the tool's preferences, I will tick the Ignore Grouping option and OK to confirm. Now you can see that each element in the group will be randomized separately and not as a group. We don't want to affect the size, offset or rotation of the artwork like this, so I will double click on the annotation center to reset all changes. The final task is to vary the colour of each balloon by hue, simply achieved by clicking on this button. Because it's only affecting the hue, all grayscale fills and strokes, including the white balloon tails and black outlines, remain unaffected. All previously yellow balloons have had their colour changed. As mentioned at the start of this video, Randomini is intentionally quick, interactive and simplistic. For advanced control over your artwork randomization, please refer to the Randomino video and written documentation covering the powerful plugin panel.